Welcome to Quantum Blogger, your gateway to medical breakthroughs and quantum computing innovations. We are thrilled to have you join us on this exciting journey at the intersection of cutting-edge medical science and revolutionary quantum computing. Our mission is to bring you the latest updates, insights, and breakthroughs in the world of healthcare, drug trials, and quantum technology. Why Quantum Blogger? In today's rapidly evolving world, staying informed about the latest advancements in medicine and technology is crucial. Quantum Blogger is your go-to source for comprehensive coverage of drug trials and breakthrough cures. We provide in-depth analysis and updates on the most promising drug trials and breakthrough cures that are set to change the landscape of healthcare. Upcoming trials and phases. Stay ahead of the curve with our detailed insights into upcoming clinical trials and their phases, giving you a glimpse into the future of medical treatments. Quantum computing in drug discovery. Discover how quantum computing is transforming the field of drug discovery. Learn about the innovative techniques and technologies that are accelerating the development of new treatments and therapies. What to expect? At Quantum Blogger, we believe in delivering high-quality, engaging content that keeps you informed and inspired. Here's what you can expect from our blog. Weekly updates. Regular posts that cover the latest news, research, and developments in medical science and quantum computing. Expert interviews. Conversations with leading experts and researchers who are at the forefront of medical and technological innovation. Educational content. Easy-to-understand explanations of complex scientific concepts, making it accessible for everyone regardless of their background. Community engagement. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about the future of medicine and technology. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and engage in meaningful discussions. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We look forward to bringing you the most exciting and transformative developments in the world of healthcare and technology.